So I bought this knife recently, and then I had it Duracoated by Tango Down. I've already seen pictures of it, so I know what it looks like. Anyway, Tango Down Duracoat. This is a Dalton Bones, is what the model is called. Rob Dalton, Switchblade knives, makes some great knives. So, it's the bones, so I had him put a bone, skull and bone design on the knife. Really cool looking. So my first time opening it, there is I think he's told me 6-week process for this to cure totally, so I'm a little bit afraid to just let it fly open, but I'll do it one time. So still nice lockup. Look at that blade, that's so cool. The skull and bones on the blade. I had him leave the clip off. I'm going to wait for this stuff to cure before I put this back on, but there's the clips as the design as well. So that blade is really cool. Look at that blade. The other side, hopefully that's focusing on it. So there it is, a Dalton bone with some bones on it.